Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. Today I'm going to swatch this really beautiful little e.l.f. palette for you. Alright, so this is attempt number 2 to swatch this pretty little palette. Just ignore the markings on the cover. That's for my All the Things project. You can go check out that video. I think I invented a makeup challenge. Anyway, it's obviously a cool toned palette. Very pretty. I have used it on my eye. It's called Nude Rose Gold. I have another e.l.f. palette that's more of like a sunset, sunrise kind of color. Very warm tones, whereas this is very cool tones. So I got it, even though I don't need more eyeshadow. And let's swatch it, because it's a stunner. Alright, they don't have names, so it should be fairly straightforward. This is just a very pale, it's slightly off-white, but it would be for setting lids, especially if you have pale skin. I have light skin with cool undertones, so this is obviously a lot more fair than I am. The next one might be my favorite. It's a very shimmery, cool pink, and I just have been loving this color lately. Sorry about my nails, that's just kind of the person I am. This one's a little more peach and a little bit darker, but it's not showing up great on my skin tone because of the undertones that I have. Next one looks like kind of a taupey color. Yeah, again, very close to my skin tone. But you can see it's a little bit of like a grayish pink. We've got another stunner. This is a kind of medium. That was one swipe, everybody. It's a medium, a little warmer pink, but there's still some silver reflect in it. This one should also be very pretty. It's a rose gold, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Next is another matte. This is a much darker taupe than this one. I don't know about much darker, but it's definitely a darker taupey color. These could be used to kind of create a gradient for a smoky eye, something like that. Then we're getting into the three darkest colors. This is a beautiful brown grayish, if you consider those colors beautiful. But these shimmers are stunning. They're like one swipe and no problem. This is an interesting color. It's like a plummy gray. Again, with a very cool toned theme. I don't need to build that up, but I am. And then this last one is also fairly complex. It's got some like black undertone to it, but it's a very dark plum with a little bit of shimmer. Beautiful palette. I hope these colors are translating for you because I love them and I don't want to have to do this a third time. So thanks for watching this swatch video of this really pretty e.l.f. palette. Go check out the other like kind of companion e.l.f. palette that I also did a swatch on. And again, these are colors that I've used here that are checked off. These two have been my favorites so far. Again, it's part of my All the Things project, and I explain that in a video that I will link for you. We have lots more swatch videos as well. I hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh my god, the cat. Are you kidding me? I literally just started. Hi. Oh my god, can you please settle down? I just started. Lay down, please. Lay down, please. I know. Lay down. Come on, chill. Oh my god. Good boy. Good baby. I'm done in like literally like a minute.
He makes so much noise.